Hello students, today we discuss the continuation of environmental issue, that is degradation of related to how improper resource utilization, what happens if you do not utilize the proper resources, all these things and all. There is degradation, the improper, the resource utilization. Then if you do not utilize in a proper manner, what type of degradation it must be takes place under? Normally it takes place related to that soil erosion, deforestation, or related to desertification. It may causes soil erosion, then it may leads to the desertification. That is one thing. Then another improper resource utilization. What is the other aspects related to this one? That is water lagging, soil salinity. Water lagging as well as soil salinity. Soil erosion as well as desertification. When it occurs, whenever maximum urbanization, nowadays, whomever it may be, for the sake of different types of various type of these activities and all, for the sake of their livelihood or regarding related to work, all these things and all, maximum regarding related to urbanization, one among the major causes of the soil erosion, desertification. Why? Because whatever forest area, if it converts into any particular area, a particular place for construction of buildings, for formation of city, everything and all, then before that one, it must destruction of forests and all. Why soil erosion, desertification takes place? What are the causes of this one? Main causes of this one: deforestation. Mainly deforestation. Another one, over cultivation. Rather than normal, gradually if it is cultivated without using of appropriate manure and organic manure and it is also one among the reasons. Why? Because it lost the fertility of the soil, then unable to growth and development of the normal croplands and all. Then apart from this one, it is also may causes to the other important characteristic features for related to desertification, that is a poor irrigation. So without using proper amount of water in a normal manner and all, it is also one among these causes of desertification, and it may causes to the soil erosion and all. Then apart from this one, that unrestricted grazing. So these are the main causes. So that is very simple. You must remember all these four. Then it may be causes. What is the main reason? Why? Because of urbanization. So while doing all these one, it may be causes to the urbanization. Then it may automatically soil erosion as well as that particular area it converts as this one desertification. There is no possibility of living organism, either plants, either animals, either different types of, including human activities also, it may not take place in a proper manner. If it is done, all these human activities and all. Then what is the water lagging as well as that is soil salinity and all. Whenever without using of drainage canal regarding related to the water sources and all, especially this one, without using drainage canals. Without using proper drainage canal, while utilizing of this water related to cultural as well as agricultural field or different types of whatever activities and all, without the drainage canals and all, it is also what happen, especially in agricultural one, whatever water, if it is lagged on surface of land, then after evaporated, maximum amount of salts, it will be persist on surface of land and all. If it is present, it percolate deeper layers of soil. That salinity, it may lead to the soil salinity, that it also absorbed to the related to plants and all. If it is more than the normal concentration regarding related to maximum, then automatically destruction of the plants, unable to absorbing and all. More than this one, again related to imbalance of osmotic imbalance and all. That's why unable to development of the particular type of these plants as well as related to animals and all. These are improper that resource utilization. These two important characteristic features are present. In that one, which one act as a key role? All are act as important role. Apart from this one, the deforestation at the present day by day it will be increases. Then we discuss about what is meant by deforestation. Very simple. In lower class also you studied about what is meant by deforestation. The removal of the plants, removal of the trees, removal of the trees, or cutting of the plants. Cutting of the plants, that is we call as a deforestation. So this forest area, why? Because when you compare to the tropics as well as temperate, so maximum loss of forest in tropics and all. How much forests are lost in tropical region and all? So 40% of the forests are lost in tropics. Only 1% of forests are lost in temperate. Why? Because in tropical region, maximum percentage of plants are present because of proper rainfall, each and everything and all. When you compare to the temperate and all, that's why maximum loss of forest related to tropics region only when you compare to the temperate and all. Then, according to this deforestation, majorly it will be influenced on in our country, India and all. Related to in India. So, how much forest area it must be covered on our land and all. Normally, in the beginning of 20th century, the beginning of 20th century, how much percentage of forest area it must be covered in our country and all? It must be covered 30%. Then the end of the 20th century, it present only 19.4%. Here, end of 20th century means according to NCERT they did not given any particular year and all. But here you must represent related to the 1980s and all. For understanding purpose, then 1980s it must be present 19.4% only. That is end of this 20th century and all. Then only these two calculated values only they have given. But according to National Forest Policy, according to NFP 1988, how much percentage of forest area it must cover on plain region in our country? It must be required 33%. According to National Forest Policy, that is important. When it must be implemented National Forest Policy 1988, according to National Forest Policy, how much percentage of forest area it must cover on plains region and all? It must be covered 33% in plains region. Whereas in hills region, 67%. So the forest, it must be covered according to National Forest Policy this much one. Then according to recent one, whatever studying and all, then here in in related to 1981 or 1980 and all, it is present again 23 percentage. 1985 are related to 51 and all. If you observe in between the time, 1951, the forest area it must be covered 23 percentage. 1980, 19.4 percentage. I am writing here for understanding purpose. In between the beginning of 20th century, the end of 20th century, in between 1951, 23 percentage is present. 1980, 19.4 percentage present. What about 2003 and all? In 2003, it is present 20.64 percentage. Whereas 2007, it is present 21.02. Again, it will be enhanced. Why it will be enhanced? Because of afforestation, because of social forestry, as well as related to the reforestation. Afforestation, reforestation, these are the two remedies to increase, enhance the percentage of forest area on the land area in our country and all, in our land. This is, but textbook they have given only these two values. For understanding purpose, sometimes they may ask in exam point of view, what is the forest area? It must be covered. But according to NF, that nation forest policy, how much percentage of forest area it must cover in hill slope region or hills region, related to plains region and all, that already given. But this is this in additional for understanding purpose we discussed here and all. Then apart from this one, what is the main causes of this deforestation? That is very important. What are the causes of the forestation and all? The main causes, that is related to slash and burning agriculture, or otherwise we called as June farming. Otherwise it is called as June farming and all. That is normally transitional cultivation. Otherwise it is called as transitional farming, transitional cultivation and all. That means it must be changed from one area to another area. Normally northeastern states of in our country, normally this June cultivation it must be present and all. But in earlier years, it must be present very nominally, less area, less percentage, less number of hectares of the area, it must be one. But at present, it becomes severe and all. Normally this cultivation, northeastern India, normally it will be present and all. In this one, at present 30 million hectares and all, it cultivated 30 million hectares of this land, it must be cultivated. For every year, on an average, 5 lakh hectares of this particular land, it may not be present in a proper manner. It must be disrupted. Every year, 5 lakh. Every year, 5 lakh, that particular space of the land, it must be disintegrated, it must be disrupted. It is not possible for further, regarding related to cultivation and all. That way, because they are doing continuously 2 to 3 years. That's why unable to that specific type of that regarding related to that particular related to these cultural activities and all, or fertilizing, which one can lost in its fertility, then loss of that specific type of rainfall, then reduce the rainfall. Apart from this one, they may increase the weed plants like Parthenium, as well as if it is present Eichhornia also. But maximum Parthenium, such type of weed plants, it will be occupied such type of the land. It is not suitable for in further maximum period of time for cultivation, or which are not at all holding capacity of the soil and all. It is also may leads to the soil erosion only. Then normally in different areas they must be called Northeast, Eastern Indian and in various names and suppose in Andhra Pradesh, what it called as related to jute farming and in Andhra Pradesh, this jute farming normally we called as Podo or Podo farming and all in Andhra Pradesh. What about in Madhya Pradesh? In Madhya Pradesh, the same jute farming we called as related to Dahja. It is called as Dahja. What about in Orissa and Orissa, it is called as Dahi. These different names normally in different areas of in our northeastern states, normally it must be called and all. Whatever it may be, it is transitional. It is transitional from area to area, year after year. Gradually, they must be change their cultivation. That's why the soil fertility, soil erosion, as well as deforestation, it must be takes place maximum manner and all. So, one among the major cause, very very important exam point of view, what is the major causes of deforestation? They give many options. You must put correct option related to jute or related to jute farming or slash and burning agriculture and all. That is very important and all. Then apart from this one, another important causes of this one, that hydroelectrical projects, to construct hydroelectrical projects and all. For the sake of electricity, if you construct such type of the projects in natural climatic condition, their maximum number of trees they must be cutting down. That is also one among the major causes of deforestation. Another one, forest firing, as well as forest roads, as well as canals, requirement of wood, quarrying, as well as mining. So, such type of various causes of the deforestation. Anyone, if you construct any electroelectrical, hydroelectrical projects, as well as naturally forest firing and all. Recently also, in Amazonian, in one among the tropical region, there are also several thousand hectares of that area, it must be burnt and all. Then, forest roads, for any one type of the hills are present, for construction of the roads and for gathering of medicinal, for gathering of any, for human activities and all, they frame, they construct different types of the roads. For construction of the roads, they must be cut the trees and all. As well as for the sake of wood, for the sake of paper, many maximum for the sake of wood, they must be takes place and all. As well as quarrying, as well as mining. If you want any specific mining, either gold or related to nickel, any type of this one, then they must be cutting down of maximum number of these forest area, maximum land and all. So, what is the effects of this deforestation? What are the effects of the deforestation? The effects. The major effects increase. The major effect to increase the carbon dioxide as well as soil erosion. If you increase the carbon dioxide, it may lead to the global warming. As well as climatic change. It may lead to the climatic changes as well as cyclones, as well as the droughts. It may cause to the droughts and reduce biodiversity. Whenever reduce the which one can low amount of biodiversity organism. it must be reduces biodiversity organisms and all. So like this, various aspects and all regarding related to the improper, regarding related to severe floods also, or it may soil may not be suitable for growth and development of different types of organism and all. So all these, one among the important causes of this one are maintaining regarding related to the deforestation and all. So after completion of these, whatever the causes and all, or whatever the effects of this one, what is the remedy? What is the remedy of deforestation? What is the important remedy? Very simple related to deforestation, afforestation, reforestation. Related to this one, how to control related to, that is afforestation as well as reforestation and Vana Mahotsav. Afforestation means whenever barren land, wantedly we must put the plants. Reforestation means already lost one forest area, maximum number of plants, once again regrowth of the plants and all. Voluntarily it must be developed, that forest area and all. Then what is the way? One Mahotsav in our country, 1950 onwards, every year in the month of July as well as February, that movement of planting of trees and all. That is important. When they must be implemented in our government in 1950, that means carrying the planting of trees and all. Which particular month and all, that is important, related to that February as well as July, every month they must be implemented, they must be are developing. For the sake of this one also in our country, little bit increase the forest area, little bit increase that percentage, whatever present at the end of the 20th century 19.4, now little bit increase more than 21% because of all these activities and all. Then what about related to a case study regarding related to these particular aspects and all? Related to what is the case study related to the conservation of wildlife or related to in its, including in its habitat also. Some of the persons they must be habituated, some of the persons they must be did a very good job related to the conservation of wildlife, including in its habitat and all. Here in 1731, Jodhpur, which are located near Rajasthan region. Rajasthan, the king of that Jodhpur, he must be said about in his minister, yes, we need to construct a new palace, we need certain amount of the related to woods and all, wood material. Then along with the disciples, he went related to for cutting down of the trees which are near Bishnoi community and all. In that Jodhpur area, related to Bishnoi community is present, then they are ready to start cutting down of trees and all. Then one among the daring personality of the women, they came, they hugged the tree. First you cut my neck, then only you cut the tree and all. Like that he said, she said and all. Then without listen or plea or heed, then that people must cut down her head along with the tree and all, along with her 3 daughters. So nearly 300 plus Bishnoi community people, they must be died for related to conservation of the nature of the forest area. How much importance the Bishnoi community, how much they must give importance related to in the surrounding of the trees and all. That's why. Who is the name of that woman? That is Amrita Devi. In that community, that is important. Who is the daring person? That's why in our government they have given one particular whomever give such type of the boldness, such type of enormous courage, who must be protected in our sacrifice. The sacrificing that particular person, Bishnoi community and all. Similarly, whomever protect that wildlife without killing that particular person, without harmful effect of that surrounding areas and not only that area, any area in our country, that people must give every year, that is Amrita Devi Vishnoi Wildlife Protection Act and Amrita Devi Vishnoi, that is Wildlife Protection Act and ABWP. Amrita Devi Vishnoi, that Wildlife Protection Act and they must be implemented, who must be sacrificed, who must be protected with enormously, with his or her regarding related to courageous and that people one can give such type of the awards and all. So that is important. Apart from this one, they are also implemented, that is joint forest management. In 1980s also it is present and all. Joint forest management means along with the government, some of the local community people also get together and protected that environmental, not only wildlife but also habitat and all, to avoid that habitat loss and all. In the joint forest management, nearly it will be present several lakhs of, so more than 1 lakh of the communities, they must be participated. Nearly 24 million hectares of the land, they must be protected and all, regarding related to joint forest management. Example if important, National Forest Policy 1981, Joint Forest Management 1980. Forest management means including government authorities, the local bodies, local communities also included for protection of the areas and all. Nearly 24 million hectares, it must be protected at present and all. Then apart from this one, along with this one, Chipko movement also it will be implemented. Here, normally this word it must be heard nearby this one, Garhwal in Himalayas and all. Garhwal near Himalayas, it must be. What is the main implementation? What is the main motto of the Chipko movement and all? Conservation of wildlife. Very important. Not only wildlife but also habitat. It must be conserve habitats as well as protection of the wildlife and all. Both plants as well as, if you protect the plants, automatically the animals also it must be protected and all. So what is the main motto of Chipko movement and all? For protection, conservation of plants as well as animals, apart from related to habitat and all, to avoid this habitat loss and all. Then, but which year? Normally it must be implemented, it will be beginning 1973 and all. Chamoli, which are present at now Uttarakhand region. In that Chamoli region, it must be originated in this movement and all. Who are the persons regarding related to Chipko movement in that 1974? Related to 2 persons are this one. One among the person, Chand Prasad Bhatt. As well as Sundarlal Bahuguna. So these 2 persons are now ready to implement, are ready to spread not only one particular area throughout in our country and all. Who is the originator or who must be implemented this movement? That is Chand Prasad Bhatt as well as Sundarlal Bahuguna. When you compare these 2 persons, Sundarlal Bahuguna act as the chief role for implementation, for conservation in that local, whomever, that community, each and everyone. Related to all these one, it must be implemented in northern region and all. Related to in southern country, in India's southern country, it is also one more movement similar related to this one, that is Apiko movement. In south region, Apiko movement. Then here related to one among the person, that is Hegde. that one among the person that Hegde person, he is the person who must be developed in southern region, Apico movement. What is it by Apico? Here, Apico movement related to protect, to save different types of the whatever present in our natural regarding related to useful things and all. Why? Because in this movement, not only protection this one, but also useful material like gums, like related to honey, such type of natural or medicine, whatever useful, that is also it must be protected. If you protect the plants means whatever the useful things in that specific plants, it is also automatically it must be protected and all. In this particular one, in this particular movement, they must be protected, they must be planting, they must be recycling. All these, it must be implemented and all. All these, it must be implemented and all. In this, apart from this one, that regarding related to, in one among these reason, it must be avoided that to avoid hydro electrical project and all, or to oppose hydroelectrical project and all. This opposite hydroelectrical project, this one, it is one among this valley, this specific valley, it must be oppose hydroelectrical project which it must be construct related to natural habitat and all. If it is construct natural habitat, it must be lost maximum, that is Sundarban, or regarding related to that valley, it is also protected, that maximum number of the forest area, regarding related to avoid maximum number of hydroelectrical project with the natural habitat and all. Then other than this one, if it is barren land, if it is barren area, or less number of, or maximum weed one, they are ready to one. Maximum yielding, maximum utilization, maximum which protected to the ozone as well as oxygen and all. There it completely, it avoided and all. Related to that valley people, or which one can oppose near that Kerala region, in nearby that Sri Lanka, in that particular valley, there it must be protected. Why? Because there only maximum availability of water resource for generating, for production, or for production of different types of regarding related to this electricity and all. So on that one, it must be helpful as well as useful and all. In this south area related to Apico movement, what is present in Chipko movement related to northern region. In this, the person who must be implemented related to, that is that Panduranga Hegde and all. Then to avoid hydroelectrical projects, whenever natural one, that is the Silent Valley, but it opposes related to the natural whatever environmental condition of the forest. Other than this one, ready to. Then apart from this one, agroforestry along with the croplands, normal trees. Suppose some of the croplands, some of the areas related to coconut trees as well as mango, there is agroforestry and all. Then apart from this one, social forestry, or all these different types of various type of this one act as an important role. So when it is implemented, Insecticidal Act and all, 1968 and all, Insecticidal Act and all. Then for the sake of water maximum pollution and all, Ganga Action Plan, Yamuna Action Plan, Brahmaputra, first one Ganga Action Plan, which one can, without entering of harmful germs and all, it must be purified before discharging of any type of the waste material towards that respectable place and all. So once or twice you must read carefully. It is very, very important. Total ecology, maximum minimum 4 to 5 times you must revise. Maximum number of questions they must be asked and all. Okay. Remaining to discuss in next class.